I do use them. They do have their purpose around the car and stuff, but for the like long flat areas, I'll never use a DuraBlock ever again. And my go-to used to be, like for the short areas, it'd be like a tile. And I picked this up on a whim. I've never seen anybody use a tile to sand, but I had it in my garage, threw a piece of sandpaper on it, and started sanding, doing X pattern, and loved it. I've used this for a lot of projects, believe it or not. And I've never seen anybody actually use a tile to sand. That's it.